LearnHangeul. Learn.
한글런.
The sounds produced by the final consonants in Korean are only 7. Korean final consonants are
기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 이응.
producing 7 distinct sounds. The final consonants
기역,
and
키읔,
produce the sound
기역,
in Korean. The final consonants
디귿, 시옷, 지읒, 지읒, 티읕, 그리고 히읗.
produce the sound
디귿,
in Korean. The final consonants
비읍,
and
비읍,
produce the sound
비읍.
in Korean. Even if the final consonants are different, the sound can be the same. Let's learn from the example. Find out the sound of the final consonants of
기역과 키읔. 야,
word plus a final consonant
기역,
makes
약,
medicine.
약.
뼈,
Word plus a final consonant
기역,
makes
벽,
wall.
벽.
Word plus a final consonant
키읔.
makes kitchen.
어.
Look at the pictures and find out the words.
기역,
Word plus a final consonant
기역,
makes
기역.
giyak.
기역.
구수,
Word plus a final consonant
기역.
makes
국수,
noodles.
국수.
오수수,
Word plus a final consonant
기역.
makes
옥수수,
corn.
옥수수.
Look at the pictures and find out the words.
키읔,
Word plus a final consonant
키읔,
makes
키읔.
kiyuk.
키읔.
부어,
Word plus a final consonant
키읔.
makes
부엌,
kitchen.
부엌.
새벽녘,
Word plus a final consonant
키읔.
makes
새벽녘,
around dawn.
새벽녘.
Learning to use expressions.
비가 내리고 있다.
It's raining hard.
주룩주룩. 비가 주룩주룩 내리고 있다.
Learning a word with a final consonant.
니은,
The Korean word
소,
has a
니은,
final consonant. It's called
손,
hand.
손.
The Korean word
도,
has a
니은,
final consonant. It's called
돈,
money.
돈.
The Korean word
무,
has a
니은,
final consonant. It's called
문,
door.
문.
Look at the picture and guess the word. The letter
니으,
has a final consonant.
니은,
It's read as
니은,
niun.
니은.
The letter
바지,
has a final consonant.
니은,
It's read as
반지,
ring.
반지.
The letter
여기,
has a final consonant.
니은,
It's read as
연기,
smoke.
연기.
The letter
자전거,
has a final consonant.
니은,
It's read as
자전거,
bicycle.
자전거.
The letter
처사,
has a final consonant.
니은,
It's read as
천사,
angel.
천사.
The letter
다추,
has a final consonant.
니은,
It's read as
단추,
button.
단추.
Developing expression skills.
오랜만에 만난 친구들끼리 이야기를 나누고 있어요.
Have a nice little chat with friends.
오순도순. 오랜만에 만난 친구들끼리 오순도순 이야기를 나누고 있어요.
Find the word that has a final consonant.
디귿, 숟가락,
Plus,
디귿,
it's a
숟가락,
spoon.
숟가락.
Find the word that has a final consonant.
시옷, 부,
Plus,
시옷,
it's a
붓,
brush.
붓.
Find the word that has a final consonant.
지읒, 나,
Plus,
지읒,
it's a
낮,
day.
낮.
Find the word that has a final consonant.
지읒, 도,
Plus,
지읒,
it's a
돛,
sail.
돛.
Find the word that has a final consonant.
티읕, 꺼,
Plus,
티읕,
it's a
겉,
the surface.
겉.
Find the word that has a final consonant.
히읗, 으,
Plus,
히읗,
it's a
으.
look at the picture and guess the words. The letter
디귿,
has a final consonant.
디귿,
It's read as
디귿,
디귿.
the letter
마이,
has a final consonant.
디귿,
It's read as
마지,
firstborn or the eldest.
맞이.
The letter
도보기,
has a final consonant.
디귿,
It's read as
돋보기,
reading glasses.
돋보기.
Look at the picture and guess the words. The letter
시오,
has a final consonant.
시옷,
It's read as
시옷,
시옷.
the letter
비자루,
has a final consonant.
시옷,
It's read as
빗자루,
broom.
빗자루.
The letter
로보,
has a final consonant.
시옷,
It's read as
로봇,
robot.
로봇.
Look at the picture and guess the words. The letter
지읒,
has a final consonant.
지읒,
It's read as
지읒,
지읒.
the letter
저소,
has a final consonant.
지읒,
It's read as
젖소,
milch cow.
젖소.
The letter
비,
has a final consonant.
지읒,
It's read as
빗,
debt.
빗.
Look at the picture and guess the words. The letter
지읒,
has a final consonant.
지읒,
It's read as
지읒,
치읓.
the letter
더,
has a final consonant.
지읒,
It's read as
덧,
trap.
덧.
The letter
비,
has a final consonant.
지읒,
It's read as
빛,
light.
빛,
Look at the picture and guess the words. The letter
티읕,
has a final consonant.
티읕,
It's read as
티읕,
티읕,
the letter
가마솥,
has a final consonant.
티읕,
It's read as
가마솥,
a cauldron.
가마솥,
The letter
미,
has a final consonant.
티읕,
It's read as
밑,
the bottom.
밑,
Look at the picture and guess the words. The letter
히읗,
has a final consonant.
히읗,
It's read as
히읗,
히읗,
the letter
나다,
has a final consonant.
히읗,
It's read as
나타,
give birth to.
나타,
The letter
파라다,
has a final consonant.
히읗,
It's read as
파랗다,
blue.
파랗다,
Developing expression skills.
저둘은 키가 해 보인다.
They look alike in height.
비슷비슷. 저둘은 키가 비슷비슷해 보인다. 일자리를 찾기 위해 신문 광고를 뒤졌다.
From cover to cover.
샅샅이. 일자리를 찾기 위해 신문 광고를 샅샅이 뒤졌다.
In this session, we talked about the sound of the final consonants.
기역, 니은, 디귿.
See you next time.